Welcome to the video about the descios and contraindications of pineapple. Pineapple is a delicious and versatile fruit that has been used both in food and in traditional medicine for centuries. With its sweet flavor and unique texture, it's easy to see why pineapple is a popular ingredient in many cuisines around the world. But did you know that pineapple also offers a series of health benefits? In this video, we'll explore the many benefits pineapple can bring to your health, as well as potential side effects and contraindications you should be aware of. If you want to learn more about how pineapple can improve your life, stay with us. Pineapple is a tropical fruit popular all over the world for its sweet taste and freshness. In addition to being a delicious food, pineapple also has nutritional and healing properties that make it an important ingredient in the human diet. However, there are also some side effects and contraindications that should be considered before including pineapple in your daily diet. From a nutritional point of view, pineapple is a fruit rich in vitamins and minerals essential for human health. It contains high levels of vitamin C, vitamin B6, and magnesium, and is a source of soluble fiber and antioxidants. Furthermore, pineapple also contains an enzyme called bromelain which has been shown to help digest protein and reduce inflammation in the body. However, pineapple also has some side effects and contraindications that must be considered. For example, the bromelain present in pineapple can cause irritation to the mouth and gastrointestinal tract in some people. Additionally, pineapple contains citric acid and malic acid, which can cause stomach ache, diarrhea, and headache in some people. In addition, pineapple can also interact with some medications, such as blood thinners and anti-inflammatories, and may increase the risk of bleeding in people who take them. Therefore, it is important to speak with a doctor before including pineapple in your diet if you are taking any type of medication. Another factor to keep in mind is that pineapple can be allergic to some people. Pineapple allergy symptoms include itching, rash, swelling, and shortness of breath. If these symptoms are experienced after consuming pineapple, it is important to seek medical attention immediately. Despite these side effects and contraindications, pineapple can still be a healthy addition to your diet if eaten in moderation. A 100-gram serving of pineapple contains only 50 calories and is an excellent source of essential nutrients for health. There are many different ways to include pineapple in your diet, from eating it fresh as a snack to adding it to salads and smoothies. In addition, pineapple can also be used as an ingredient in cooking to add flavor and texture to dishes like chicken curry or vegetable stir-fry. Pineapple is also a popular ingredient in drinks and desserts, such as pineapple smoothies and pina coladas. Pineapple also has healing properties and has been used in traditional medicine to treat conditions such as coughs, colds, and inflammation. The bromelain present in pineapple has also been shown to help reduce inflammation and swelling in the body, and has been used in medicine to treat sports injuries and conditions such as arthritis. In short, pineapple is a delicious and healthy fruit that offers many health benefits. However, there are also some side effects and contraindications that should be considered before including pineapple in your daily diet. It is important to speak with a doctor before adding pineapple to your diet if you are taking medication or have food allergies. With moderate consumption, pineapple can be a healthy and delicious addition to the diet.